No problem, no problem. Okay, we are doing question number 4. 2404 times what? What's the number? I gotta see. 2.404 times 3. What is your answer for question number 4, paper 1, Miss Sophia?
Number 2.
Number 2. So 2% say number 2, 1% say number 3. All right, we are gonna check now. Okay. So over here, Shafika, you tell me now. 4 times 3. Ika.
12.
Carry 1, huh? Bring down the 1 here. 4 times 3, 12 again, carry 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Where do you put the dot? We count after the decimal place. 1, 2, 3. Down here, there's no decimal place. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now 7, 2, 1, 2. We want 2 decimal place. So 2 decimal place is this part here. We have to look down here at the next one. So do you add 1 minus 1 or not? No, you don't add, right? Okay. Password. Okay, so you don't add 1, so it's 7.21. Okay, just let me send a message to. Okay, you look through question number 5. We are going to go through question 5 shortly. I'm just going to. Is there a password? There's no password, right? Why is no password? No password. Okay. Question number 5. What is your answer, Miss Sophia and
2.
2, Sophia number 2. Hold on, just 1 second. Okay, okay. So what about Shakira? Shafika? Answer? What's your answer? 2 also. 2, right, Hannah? 1. So lowest common multiple. Now, first of all, multiple means you must multiply. You have forgotten this, all of you. You have number 6 and number 8. Multiple means you multiply. That means 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 18. These are the multiples. You are giving me factors. So 8, 16, 24, and 32, right? So let's find what is, okay, Zahira is coming now. What, can you see the lowest common multiple? 24, 24. Let us look again at the question paper. Okay, answer is 3. 3. So those who say 1, who say 2, 1 is correct if it's the lowest common factor, but they will never ask you lowest common factor. Do you know why, Rahana? Because the lowest common factor will always be 1. Always be two numbers is 1 times that number. The other one, so 1 will always be the lowest common factor. They will ask you highest common factor. So they are not asking you for highest common factor. They're asking you for lowest common multiple. You have to do the multiples of 6, of 8, and then you get your answer. So the answer is 2. Okay, easy, yeah? All right, now. Okay, we go now to question number 6. We will, let us see one by one. Number 6, Shafika, what's your answer? Have you all done? You all have done or have not done?
6, 7, I haven't done.
Okay, okay. Start doing now then. Start doing now. Number 2 for Raihana. Zahira, who just came back from school, what's your answer for 6? Have you done? No. Okay, then you all do now. You all do now. Let us see now. 78. This one is funny question lah.
Yeah.
All the answers, the breadth is longer than the length. Do you realize? Never mind, never mind. Never mind. How can the breadth, but that's the answer lah. Okay, but anyway. Congratulations, Raihana. The answer is correct. You're waiting for the rest? Very simple, very simple.
Is it
Zaira, can do?
This 78 divided by 4.
Why divide by 4? The length is,
Oh, okay.
they give you the area. Okay, well done, Shafika.
78 minus 12.
Why minus 12? Where you get 12 for? You are still thinking of
600.
perimeter. You're still thinking of perimeter. Our sister is still thinking about perimeter. So he said the length is 6, length is 6. So she's saying 6 plus 6. This is perimeter on the outside. Area, this is area. Area, what's the formula for area? Miss Sophia?
Oh, okay, okay. I know.
Okay, what's the answer? Okay, thanks, Zahira. Area.
This is something times 6 equals
Yeah.
to 78.
So you reverse it, 78 divided by 6.
13.
13, yes, 13 is the correct answer. So answer is correct. This is considered very simple. You must be able to do this. So answer is number 2.
Shaheed,
Yes, miss.
let me take water.
Please take your water. Okay. Those who want to take your water, yeah, please take your water. So now we do question number 7. Rahana, you done, Ray? Yes. What's your answer, Rahana?
Shaheed, the average, right? Is it for Monday
Including Monday to Sunday, all the days, all the 7 days. Shows that, no, down here it means, average means agak-agak, because in one day, you must remember on Monday is the temperature, what's the temperature here? 25, 26, 27, 28. Is the whole of Monday the temperature 28 only? No, right? It will go up, it will go down. So they're saying agak-agak on Monday, it was agak-agak, you know agak-agak? Agak-agak 28, like I say. So this is Monday's one. This is Tuesday. But on Tuesday, the temperature is not just 32. It might go up to 35, it go down, but roughly it was 32. That's what they mean. They give you the average temperature for every day.
is it Sunday to
Okay, we wait for a while. We wait. You cannot say Sunday to Monday because they didn't show the next Monday.
isn't it Friday to Sunday?
Friday to Sunday, just one day,
But don't have.
Don't have. Okay, you must look at Tuesday to Wednesday. How is it? You write down what is the temperature here, here. Then you can compare. Then you minus. Zahira, you got answer?
Oh, I know.
Okay, wait. Is it
Number 4.
Raihana, you got answer? 4. Sophia, 4. Zahira? Shafika? Mika's not there. You can write down the number lah. In fact, from the steepness of the slope, you can tell actually. Four. Shafika, are you there, Shafika? Not there.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but yeah. Okay, so what's your answer? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Cannot hear you, Shafika. You can show your fingers. Shafika? Okay, we are not sure. We have to go through together. 3. Okay. Let's see. Monday, what's the temperature? You all can read the temperature. Raihana, Monday, what's the temperature? Monday is, this is 25. So 26, 27, 28. 28. Okay, we try next one. Raihana, what's the temperature on Tuesday? Tuesday.
32.
32. Okay. What's the for Zahira? What's the temperature on Wednesday? So Wednesday is here. Wednesday very easy lah. Wednesday, Zahira.
25.
Okay. Thursday, Zahira. Thursday because Wednesday is too easy. Thursday.
23.
23. Sophia, Friday.
34.
34. Shafika, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, Shafika. Saturday,
30.
Sunday,
18.
18. So all you need to do is you try Tuesday to Wednesday. Wednesday is how many? 25. Tuesday is 23. 32. So you get 3. Wednesday minus Tuesday, you get, no, you don't get, you cannot minus, right? Because this number is, but you cannot minus. So there is no drop in temperature. You see, they ask you now, the question is asking you down here. If you look at it, what does it say? Hold on. The question is saying, from which day to which day was the greatest drop in temperature? So from Tuesday to Wednesday, so Tuesday to Wednesday, sorry. We do it the other way around. Tuesday minus Wednesday. Tuesday minus Wednesday, you get 7. 32 minus 25, you get 7. There was a drop in 7 degrees. And the next one, Thursday to Friday. Thursday to Friday, there was an increase in temperature. You look at it, there was an increase in temperature. Thursday to Friday, you can see the temperature went up. So this is not drop. You cannot be number 2. Number 3, Friday to Saturday. Look at Friday, Saturday, there's a drop. So what is the drop? Let's look at the temperature. On Friday is 34. Saturday is 30. 34 minus 30, you get 4 degrees. And the last one, this one you can see actually from the diagram, you can see, you went through 1 bar, 2 bars. This is only one that dropped 2 bars. But how much is it? 30 minus 18. 30 minus 18 is 12 degrees. So you know the answer is 4. You cannot lose marks for this type of question. You must score. Okay. Number 8, please. Okay, thanks, Rahana. Thank you. Sophia, are you doing mentally, Sophia? I look at you, as if you're doing mentally. Okay. Shafika, your mom just asked me whether you're in. I said yes. Charlie had 15. Okay. Anyone? So Raihana, what's the answer again, Raihana? 4. Okay. 2. Okay. All right. Zahira tired, Zahira. Not tired. Shafika, what's your answer? 2. Okay. Sophia, okay. Zahira, we are waiting for you, Zahira. Have you gotten your answer? Zahira sudah garuk kepala. Just a moment. Can do, Zaira, or we go through together again? We go through together, okay? Now, actually, it's quite easy. We're going to ask Zahira. Maybe she's tired now. When Charlie had $50, here, how many units does Charlie have, Zahira?
4.
4, good. So 4 units is equals to $50. You can find 1 unit if you want to. What is 1 unit? But you don't need to find yet. You don't need to find yet. Now they ask you what is the difference in the amount Andy and Billy have. Andy has 3, Billy has 5. Andy has 3, Billy has 5. What's the difference in units, Zahira?
2.
Good. Now, I'm going to show you a shortcut. 2 units is how much? 4 units is $50. 2 units is? You can go straight. Divide by what to get 2? 4 divided by what to get 2? 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, get 1. You can divide straight to get 2. 4 divided by 2 as you see your cousin doing like that. Your cousin is telling you. 4 divided by 2 get 2. So this one you divide by 2 can get 25. Are you confused? You look confused, Zahira. So maybe we find 1 unit. 1 unit is how much? Then you divide by 4. Once you divide by 4, you will get $12.50. Then 2 units, you times 2, you times 2. Then you will get $25. Are you okay, Zahira? Okay. These are questions you look at the video later, you try again on your own, okay? You must try again, otherwise you might not be able to get it. All right, we go to the next one, which is question number 9. Okay. Raihana, what's your answer? Have you done? Not yet.
Number 4.
Number 4 for you. Who said that? Sophia. For number 9, number 4. Oh, very fast, this guy. Come on.
I already finished except for 6, 7, 8.
Okay, let's see. But 6, 7, 8 is quite easy, right? Is it easy or difficult to you? So your mom's,
Okay.
Okay, let's check. This one you say answer is number 4. Maybe you're good in algebra. Maybe, yeah. 4 also. Okay, good. Let's see. Now waiting for both Raihana and Zahira. Both of you have to look at your working again because both your answers are wrong. Miss Shafika and Miss Sophia, please try again. The way to do this is to imagine that 7y is number. Give a number to 7y. Give a number to 3y. See what are the steps that you would take. Then you will find the correct steps. Okay? You must be able to okay. Now you got new steps. Okay, maybe. Do you do new steps or not? No. What's your answer, Shafika? Okay, right now for Zahira? 1. Okay, we are now going to go through this. Let's see. Mrs. Spoon baked 7y cookies. Okay, let's assume 7y is 70. Okay, imagine. And then gave 15 cookies to each child. How many children does she have if she had 3y? Let's imagine 3y is 30. So now I'm going to go through step by step as if this is what? This is numbers lah, 30. So at first you want to find the number of children. How to find the number of children? Well, if let's say there's 3 children. Zahira, you got 2 more sisters, right? So let's say 3 children in your family. Let's say 3 girls. Now each child gets 10 cookies. So total number of cookies you will get average the total children, the
10,
three children,
30.
30. Good, 30. So now I'm going to work backwards. Imagine you know that 3 children get 30 cookies. Each child get 10 cookies. How to find the number of children? How to find the number of children? Zahira, tell me, Zahira. Hira. Let's say now, down here, okay, we have 30 cookies were received by your 3 siblings, yourself included. And each one get 10 cookies. How to know there are 3 children in the family? How? Using these numbers. Here. Don't look at the question paper here. Oh, you're looking at the screen, yeah? How to get? Very simple. Huh? Take total number of cookies divided by 10 cookies per person. So take total number of cookies divided by how many cookies each child get. Then you get, oh, there are 3 children. You must know this step. Do you understand this step? Raihana, you understand the step? Shafika, you understand this step? Zahira, yes. Sophia, yes. So now, how many cookies did the children receive? You must know that first. Who knows? How many cookies did the children receive? Anyone? She baked 70 cookies. Let's say 7Y cookies. She got 3Y left. She got 30 left. How many cookies did their children receive?
40.
40. You take 70 minus 30. You take 7Y minus 3Y. Answer is 4Y. 4Y is the total number of cookies that how many children they are received. So 4Y, remember they say the formula is total number of cookies divided by the number of cookies each child received. So each child received 15. 4Y over 15 is the answer. By looking at your face, you don't understand. So I have to give my own question. All right? You have to be able to do this because it's not so tough. Now I'm going to change this, okay? I'm going to change this. Now, this one now I change to 9x. 9x. And down here, I'll change to 20 cookies. And this one is 3x. Find the number. This is something happened. 3x. Find the number of children Mrs. Poon has.
So the answer is what? The first one.
You must tell me the answer. Now there's no multiple choice. It's an essay question, short answer. What's your answer?
No, I mean the answer just now.
Just now the answer is 1. 4y divided by 15. So you and Zahira got correct, I think. Correct? I do not know whether it's by luck or not. This will tell me whether it's by luck or not.
Answer is 6x over 20.
Is the answer here?
No, the answer is not here. This is all x, y. The answer is down here. According to Zahira, Dr. Zahira says it's 6x over 20.
Is 6x over 20.
Sophia also says 6x over 20. What do Shafika and Raihana say?
4x over 20.
4x over 20. What about Raihana? Rahana, are you there?
Sure.
Yes.
Nothing lah.
Rahana, we have to do together in half a minute. Okay, we ask Rahana, how many cookies are there in total that she baked? How many cookies she baked? Rahana, how many cookies did she bake altogether, Mrs. Spoon?
9 eggs.
9 eggs, good. How many cookies did each child receive? Not A divided by, sorry, not A divided by, wrong. How many cookies did each child receive? It's in the question there. Cannot hear, cannot hear. You must unmute.
3 eggs.
3 eggs? No, no. She gave each child 20 cookies. So down here 20, yeah? Now, in order to find the number of children, you must tell me what's the total number of cookies received by the children. How to find the total, see, total number of cookies, total cookies given to children. How many? What minus what, Rahana? What minus what? She had 3 eggs left. She baked 9 eggs. She got 3 eggs left. She baked 9 eggs. How many eggs is given to the children? 9 eggs minus 3 eggs. This is equals to 6 eggs. So what's the number of children? Take total number of cookies the children has, which is 6 eggs, divided by the number of cookies each child received, 20. Okay, I can see it is. Shafika, you're lost? Yes, no?
Oh, I thought
Okay, never mind, never mind. You were
I thought it's 7.
7, okay. Okay, never mind. Oh, you thought it's 7, huh? That's why you saw, okay. So we will have to go through number 9 again another time. Let us try question 10. So the answer is, for this one, the answer is 6x over 20. Congratulations to Zahira and Sophia. We try now the next one. Zahira, what's equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle, what is it? All sides are equal. All angles.
Which one?
Which one?
Which one angles X?
Find it. Oh. Okay, let's say angle X is this.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for that asking.
Mr. Shaheed, my answer is 4.
Answer is 4. Well, let's see. You did mentally or you did it before, is it?
I did before.
Your answer is 4. I think your answer might be wrong. Let me see. No. Sorry. 60. Okay, congratulations, Miss Sophia. Zahira, what's your answer? Shafika? I think I can, yeah, Shafika, you were saying? No. Rahana, where are you, Rahana? We are missing you, Rahana. We cannot see you. So while we are waiting for you, I'm going to ask Sophia something. Sophia, questions 6, 7, and 8, are they difficult to you? Or not? It's not, you didn't do 6, 7, 8, right? Number 4 also for Zahira. Not difficult, right, Sophia? You just need to believe in yourself and push yourself. So I'm going to go through your question paper, the one you sent, to see whether number 4 also. Rahana, what about you? Rahana says, wait now. In Shira, we are going to have, okay, we are waiting for Raihana. So I realized that I better not give you any homework after Sunday. I should only give you homework after Wednesday. Yeah, because maybe you all might not have enough time to do. Shafika, is that true? Better, huh? Okay, I will only give you after Wednesday. Maybe you can do on Saturday then. Okay, half a minute left, Raihana. Otherwise, we have to go through together. Zahira, what tuition do you have, or what supplementary do you have in school today? Your mom says that you came back 4:15, right?
Today got math.
Maths, okay.
Yeah, tomorrow also got another math.
Okay, well, that's good. Okay, so
Number
Raihana,
4.
your answer is 4. Congratulations. Now, this is an equilateral triangle. That means all 3 sides are the same. That means this is 60, this here is 60, this here is 60. So you know that if this is 60, you want to find this small one over here. 60 minus 35 gives you how much down here, Sophia? This one here. Give you
25.
25. So this is 25. This one is 60, right? And this plus 60 plus 25 equals to 180.
100.
So 180 minus 25 minus 65 gives you 95. Congratulations to all of you. You have gotten the question correct. And because Sophia got it first, she has a free trip to Underwater World together with SpongeBob. As you can see, she's already there. Immediate prize. Who has done this? Sophia, you have done this? No. Okay.
11, I don't know.
Okay. Try. Believe in yourself. Believe in
But
yourself.
I put number 2.
Okay. This is a 2-mark question. 4 for question number for Shafika. Shafika, if the length of the bigger square is 9, what is the area of the bigger square? Ika, Shafika. What's the area of the bigger square if it's 9? 9 times 9 is?
81.
81. But they say the sum of the 2 areas is 45. Your 1 square is 81 is more not possible, impossible. As Tompel says, impossible. You know Tompel?
No.
You don't know Tompel. You don't watch P. Ramlee movies. Eh? Okay, never mind. We're going to ask Zahira, can do? Answer 2. Oh, because Sophia said 2. Sophia, do you understand the question?
No.
Do you know what's a square?
Yes.
Okay. Let us start with the smallest square possible, but must be a whole number. What is the length of the smallest square if it has to be a whole number?
3 cm.
Smallest square. No, don't look at the answer. Smallest square, if it's smallest square that you can draw, it has to be a whole number. The length of the smallest
1
square.
cm.
Ah, good. So if the length of the smallest square is 1 cm, the bigger square's length is how many cm? According to
2
this question.
cm.
No, they say the length of the smallest square. Oh, they give you the length of smallest square. Ya Allah.
Yeah.
I thought it was so challenging. So you know how to do, so easy. Okay, what's the answer, Zahira? Can do not? I thought they didn't give you the you see, I didn't read the questions carefully. Yeah? You know how to do. It's very easy. Zahira? Not yet. Shafika, you are sure? Can you try out? If it's, you say the answer is 2, is it true? Is it correct? Test it now. What's the area of the bigger square? What's the area of the smaller square? Add them up together. What do you get? True. Okay. So how do you get 4 as now? I'm just wondering. Okay. So you know you'll be smiling at yourself. How come I think that way? So I want you to check your working, your thinking. This is very, very important. Okay, we Muslims must be thinking logically. Our thinking must be better than the others. Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? 4 for question for Raihana. Raihana, if the bigger square is 9 cm, what's the area of the bigger square? You can use a calculator. If the bigger square length is 9 cm, what's the area of the bigger square? What is it? I can see you smiling. You know your mistake now. Bigger square, 9 times 9, 81. But they say the sum of the areas of the two squares, 45. You're making the Shafika's mistake. We will call this mistake the Shafika's mistake. Zahira can do not, Zahira? Okay, I'll have to, can I just show you? It's not too tough. I think you are like Harry Houdini. You know who's Harry Houdini? I will share with you. I'll stop share here. Can I show you who's Harry Houdini? Just for a while. This is, if you check Harry Houdini, I'm going to share just a moment. Now, why is this important? You need to know all this. Okay, Harry Houdini, images. Okay, let's hope there's no, this is Harry Houdini. He lived about 100 years ago. And he used to do this. Can you see all this stuff now? He will put himself in a chain. And they will put him in a box, they will chain. Then they will throw him into the sea down here, see? They will chain him up, they'll throw him into the sea, and he will try to escape. You see, they will chain him up like this. Chain him up, put him in a box. And so I think I told you before the story.
He died because of what?
Why?
I'll tell you how he died, I'll tell you also. But they put him in a prison.
Why?
And because he could escape. They put him, for example, in a trunk. They will tie him up, and then they will lock the trunk, and then they probably put it inside the river, and he can escape. But one day, they put him inside a prison cell and shut the door. Okay, there's a door, metal door, whatever it is. And then he tried to open. He has all the keys. Tried to open, could not open. He was actually going to give up when, in exhaustion, this is what I heard, he was going to collapse on the door, and then the door opened. The door was not even locked. He's thinking the door is locked. He tried to open it, cannot open it. The door is not even locked. And this is the problem with a lot of students. You're locked in the head. Where was he locked? He was locked in his head. He thought the door is locked. Why didn't he try to even just open it? Can open. Huh? They actually tricked him. How did he die? Okay, one of the tricks Harry Houdini did. You know why I'm telling you a story today? Like this? Because I can see from the look of your face, like for example, Zahira, she's now from a different zone now. See, she's very tired. So that's why we have a 1-2 minutes. So what happened to this guy? He had the ability to stand like Superman like that, and people will punch him, no? And people, it doesn't make any, he doesn't feel pain. So one day, and this is how he died, he was sitting down, he was doing something, and a very strong man came in, and the man says, "Can I punch you?" And he said, "Yes." But he did not realize what he was saying. The man went and punched him in the stomach, and he was in pain. Well, he was really in pain. And then he finally told the man, "If you want to punch me, I have to get ready my muscles and really be standing straight and firm. Then you can punch me." So what happened was he had to go to a hospital. And a few days later, I think he did a performance, and then I think he collapsed or something, and he went to hospital further, and he died. From that punch. And this was the man whom people could just punch in the stomach and nothing happened to him. But anyway, let me now show you this question. There are 2 squares. Shafika. Raihana, where are you, Raihana? Please come back to your whatever. 1 small and 1 big. So Zahira,
Wow, reconnecting.
huh? Reconnecting. Oh, reconnecting. Okay. Reconnecting is a name. It's not reconnecting. Okay. Zahira, what is the length of the small square? 3. So what is the area of the small square?
9.
9. 3 times 3 is 9 square cm. The total, they say, is 45. When you take this area plus this area is 45 square cm. So how to find this one? Very simple. Take
45
45
minus
minus
9.
and you get 36. So what times what equals 36? Anyone?
6.
6 times 6. So now the length of the bigger square is 6. Easy enough. Okay, I'm now going to give you my own question now. Okay, you try to do this. Huh? You have to do this because you must be very, very, very clear. Okay. There are 2 squares. The combined area is, hold on. The combined area of A and B squares, squares, is 181 square cm. The bigger one is 10 cm by 10 cm square. What is the length of the smaller square?
Wait.
Understand the question? There are 2 squares, Shafika, A and B. The total area of both squares is 181 square cm. The bigger square has 10 cm side, a length of 10 cm. What is the length of the smaller square?
9.
What's the 9?
Well done. Shafika, you were looking at side. You know how to do, Shafika? 9. Okay, we just wait for a while. Huh? 9, although I know you said 9, so we'll ask how you get 9 in a moment. In a moment. Zahira, easy, not? Easy, yeah?
I'm putting on the last case wrong.
Okay, what's your answer?
I don't think. No.
We do together right now. You tell me what's
Wait,
the
no, wait. My answer is 9 cm.
9 cm. Oh, you see? She's bored already. This girl is bored. Oh, she said, I'm going to cut you up.
Okay, we'll cut off.
This one is a very violent girl. Okay, what's your answer, Rahana? Can you get? Tell me the steps. The total areas. What's the area of this square, Rahana?
100.
Good. Total area is 181. So what is the area of this square?
I think it's wrong.
No,
81.
81. So what times what equals to 81?
40.5.
No. What times what? Don't divide by 2. What times what?
9 times 9.
9 times 9. So the answer is 81.
Can do again. I don't understand.
Okay, we do one last one. One last one, okay?
I don't answer.
Okay, one last one. Now,
Wait, I need to get something first.
okay, and then reconnect again. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hey, don't disconnect. Okay. Here we go. A, B. For those of you who find it easy, you try not to know. Okay, never mind. We do it together again. A and B, okay, both are squares. Now, here we combined area is 100 square cm. This one now is 6 cm. One side is 6 cm, 6 cm. What is this side? What is that? It's kacang. But what is one side? I didn't ask you for area. Shafika, what is one side? Shafika, don't make careless mistake. Otherwise, I'll cut your...
8 cm.
Is it correct? Hey, Raihana, you are walking about while we're doing this and we're doing this question for you. How? 8. 8. So what about Shafika? Do you agree it's 8 also? What about you, Rahana?
I haven't do yet.
Hey, we are, the rest are
my
finished.
phone.
Yo. Okay, we do together. Rahana, we got to do now. Otherwise, the rest will be bought. You tell me what to do.
Wait.
Combine areas 100 cm.
So
This
it's
one's 6
6
cm,
times
6
6
cm.
equals to 36.
Good. Okay, 36. So what is the area of this one? B.
So 36 minus 100. Can I use calculator?
Yeah, use your calculator for now. Not 36 minus 100, the other way around.
100 minus 36.
What's the answer?
$64.
So what times what equals 64?
32.
No, you don't divide by 2. What times what? Same number times itself. What times what equals to 64? 3 times 3, 9. Just make a guess lah. Correct, Shafiq? 8 times 8, well done, is 64. Okay.
I just guessed.
All right, congratulations. We move on to the next one, okay? Now,
I dropped
the
my
next...
pen. The phone pen.
Okay, sorry. Do not look at this guy. He's
Now
not-
what?
Now we do question 12. No need. Question 12, no need. Can you do question
Okay.
13 and
13.
15? What's your answer?
13, my answer is 3.
Answer is 3. 20 cm.
Wait, no, 4.
3 or 4?
Nothing,
4.
nothing.
4.
No.
Brief us.
I think. I don't know. Is 7 unit equals to 70 cm? Wait, what am I talking about? We are doing number 13, right?
Number 13. Okay. We do-
Oh yeah, my answer is 3. My answer is 3. Sorry. I thought you were doing 14.
What do you say? What do you say?
13, my answer is 3.
Okay, your answer is 3. Zahira, what do you say?
Is it the rectangular cardboard all the 4 sides equals to 70 cm?
No, it's a rectangle. So 2 of the sides are the same. The other 2 sides are the same. The length is the same. There's 2 length. There's
Then
2 breadth.
what is 70?
70 is the perimeter. Okay, 70 is the perimeter. So, no, that one you don't need to do. You're not doing that one. We are doing number 13, Miss Rahana. Question 13. You have done.
Unmute yourself.
Yeah, I can't hear you.
Can you just try how to do this?
Okay, later we do that. Are you all doing nets? No, right?
No,
You're not learning next,
we
okay?
haven't
Sorry.
learned. We haven't learned.
Okay.
I just want to learn.
Okay, never mind. Later we will.
It's
we
okay.
will-
Share ghost
Don't learn.
story.
Don't learn.
Huh?
I don't want to learn that.
don't
It's okay.
learn.
Share ghost story.
I don't want to
It's going to be
stress
Maghrib.
myself.
Going to be Maghrib. So the
Yay,
answer
share.
2 for Shafika. Answer is 2 for Shafika. Shafika is very bored already. Right, Shafika? Sophia said the answer is 3. Right? Am I correct? Well, remember,
Wait, Raiji, can you keep your that one down? Ask Abang. Lower the volume.
Zahira? The fact that one of you says 2, one says 3, one of you is wrong. Is Sophia wrong? Or is Shafika wrong?
Maybe find next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
3 for Zahira and Raihana. 1 minute more.
Can I use calculator?
Use calculator. Okay, use calculator because we are running short of time. Sophia, is your answer right? You're confident? You're confident.
Answer 1.
Answer 1. Okay, come. Let us do together, right? So now, you must remember, they did not say, okay, they didn't say, they said that length is to breadth is 5 is to 2. Am I correct? Yes, sir.
Answer is 2.
Okay, 5 is to 2, right? That's for the length and breadth. And the perimeter is 70. Now, you're going to have two lengths. One length, this is, imagine 5 units. This is 2 units. This is 5 units. This is 2 units. Right? So altogether, there are 5, 5, 10,
It's 2.
14. 14 units. Okay, we're going to see whether it's 2 or not. Is equals to 70.
It's 70 divided by 40 equals 1 in times 2.
Yeah, 1 unit is equals to 5. Now, how to get this? If you're not sure, well, I'll show you how to do the comparison method. There's 2 ways of doing it. One is long division. Another one is you take 14, 70. Both can divide by 7. I get 2. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 70 divided by 7 is 10. You see, times 7, you get 70. Times 7. Then you can go down further. You reduce. 1 divided by 2, divided by 2. So 1 unit is 5 cm. So what is the length? 5 times 5, 25. What's the breadth? 2 times 5, 10. What Sophia did is to find 2 lengths. You get 20. You're correct. 2 lengths is 20. Sorry, 2 breadth is 20. 10 plus 10, 20. But you only want 5 units. So you only want 2 units, not 4 units. Are you okay? Zahir, no, not okay. I repeat again. They say that the ratio is 5 is to 2. So this length is 5 units. There's another length here, 5 units. The breadth is 2 units, 2 units, 2 units. So altogether, the perimeter is 70 because they say sum of all the sides. So 5 units plus 2 units plus 5 units plus 2 units is 14 units is equals to 70. What is 1 unit? So you can take 70 divide by 14. But once you do this, you get 70 also like that. You get 5. Oh, 1 unit is 5. So 2 units is 2 times 5. 10.
Answer is 2.
Answer is 2, yes. So, there is 10 cm. But why did Sophia and Zahira got it wrong? I think Zahira, you also say...
Oh, I think I know why.
Because you found 4 units. You know why? Because you take perimeter, then you just divide by 7. You get 10, I think. Maybe you did it that way. But if you understand this, 5 units, 2 units, 5 units, 2 units, all together there's 14 units. 14 units is 70. Then you find 1 unit is 5. And then the breadth, they want you to find the breadth. Breadth is 2 units, 2 times 5. Okay, if you are not sure, we will give you now a question. Okay. Okay, now there's a rectangle. A rectangle. Okay, try this unit. Try this question, sorry. The perimeter of the rectangle, I'm going to give you shortly. Okay. The ratio of the length to the breadth is 3 is to 2. Okay. 3 is to 2. Now, the perimeter is 100 cm. What is the breadth? What is the breadth?
Ah, my goodness. I hate this.
Can I see?
She's
Can you
singing
repeat the
song.
question? Okay, wait.
I repeat the question. The perimeter of the rectangle is 100 cm. The length, ratio of the length to the breadth is 3 is to 2. What is the breadth?
I also don't know how I did the last question.
You can draw a rectangle first.
Is 5 units equals to 100 cm?
Not true. You must draw. How many units is the length? How many units?
3.
So there's 1 length, 3 units. There's another length, 3. The 2 lengths are already 6 units.
Oh.
The breadth is how many?
Oh,
wait,
10
I know.
units equals to 100 cm.
Yes.
40.
40. You have found 2 breath. Don't go for 2 breath. I want 1 breath.
20.
20.
Yes. Can or not? You understand? Sophia, can you get it? Can do?
Yes, 10 times 2.
Zahira, come. You tell me now, Zahira, how many units are there in total? Dah penat tadi you.
10.
10 units.
Sophia,
And 10 units is
my
equals
brother
to...
asked you. My brother asked you.
Okay,
how do I
focus,
lie?
focus. Hello, you focus, please focus. 1 unit is 100 divided by 10. You get 10 cm. This is 2 units. So times 2, you get 20 cm. Okay? Okay, I can see that some of you are tired. That's why maybe we might go back to once a week, but I'm not too sure. You all need twice a week, actually. All right, we'll move on to the...
My math exam yesterday.
How was it?
Paper 2 very hard.
You had paper 2 yesterday. Paper
Yeah.
1.
And paper 1.
Paper 1 also.
Got this friend, right? He didn't do the whole of Booklet B.
And then,
Wow.
yeah,
Because he thought it was paper 2, so he never do. Like everything. Then my this other friend, right? He never do paper 1, paper 2.
maybe they don't
Like
know how.
he entered the test and he just never do. Because
Please,
he left.
please don't follow the example, please. Okay, come. Question number 14 is a 2-mark question. 14 and 15 might be a little bit more challenging. Sophia, you have done this, right? What's your answer? Yes, now.
14 is 4.
Don't tell the answer yet.
I don't know how to do.
14 is 4.
I don't know how to do.
Okay, hold on. 14, then how you get 4?
My answer. Wait, what? Okay, I put 3.5 hours.
You make a mistake. You make a mistake. This mistake is inside your head, you know. So you.
I know. Is it number 3?
How you do?
Okay,
Is it
we
number
got
3 or number 2?
It's
Or number
from
1?
3 a.m. to after 3 hours is very 6, what?
No. He arrived at 3 a.m.
Oh, Miss
So
must
what
be
time?
backward lah.
Yes, backward. This is depart. Depart means either to die or to leave.
To die.
Apa?
What die?
Wait,
Mati.
so 3 minus 3 hours,
So how many hours?
which
you
is 12 a.m. But
12
it says 12 p.m.
get? Yeah. So your answer cannot be 4, right? Cannot be 3 also.
Yeah,
So,
that's why it says 12 p.m. Why it says p.m. not a.m.?
okay, now imagine you go to school in the morning. At 11:59 in the morning, what time is it? AM or PM?
A.m.
1 minute later, is it AM or PM?
p.m.
Good.
The answer is
Yes.
My answer is
4.
4.
my
Your answer is 4.
answer is
4 or 2.
Okay, all of
2.
who's saying answer is 2? Who just now?
Me.
Tafika. Your video is not on, so I cannot see. Okay, so we are going to go through. Okay, went to Philippines. This guy, Philippines used to be a Muslim country. Do you know that?
My auntie
Sure.
converted.
No, this is really true. Okay, Manila is supposed to be an Arabic word or something. Just like
Manila.
Portugal, you know what Portugal is? Arabs give the name Burtukol. Burtukol is, what is that?
I know.
It's
I
pig.
forgot.
Burtukol. You have tufaha and burtukol.
Oh, I
No.
know.
What
it's
is it?
fruit.
What fruit is
It's I don't know, banana.
Or is it grape?
that? Oranges.
You know.
So Portugal
Burtukol.
used to be I don't know, I'm told. So Sophia was thinking, burtukol, oranges. Tufaha is apple, right?
Yeah.
So therefore,
Burtukol is a color.
okay.
No.
Color,
It's
but you
pink.
check.
Fruit.
Pink, is it?
No, what is pink in Arabic?
Burtukol apa?
Okay, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Okay, but that's the place that is full of oranges. That's what I was told. You can check it out.
My brother say orange.
Orange. You see, shame on me. Okay, shame on me. Anyway, here we go. Philippines. He left Singapore he went to Philippines. So I'm going to give you different timing first, all right? You see whether you can get it right or not, all right? Now he arrived at Philippines at 4 a.m., let's say. Let's say it's 4 a.m. The trip took 3 hours. What time did he leave, Rahana? What time did he leave Singapore? If let's say the trip takes 3 hours.
He left Singapore
1 a.m. So you just need to minus. But now they tell you the trip takes 3 hours and 3.5 hours. 3 hours
3 hours and 30 minutes.
So down here. So we can do it this way. 3 hours and 30 minutes. 4 a.m. You can 3 hours and 30 minutes. You can do it like that. So if you want to. Okay. So you can minus, you borrow.
Teacher,
Yes.
my brother is sorry.
Huh? Your
Nanti.
brother? Down here is 60, right? We borrow 1 hour is 60 minutes. Don't put 100. 60 minus 30, you get 30 minutes here. Down here, 3 minus 3, 0. 0. So how? Well, you must remember now, we are now dealing with time. So
My
time,
teacher said cannot minus time.
okay, you cannot minus time? No problem. Okay, we'll show you another way then. Okay, watch. Now, we start at 1 a.m. Then before that is 0 a.m., right? But 0 a.m. is what time? There's no such thing as 0 a.m.
0 a.m. is 12.
0 a.m.
12.
12 a.m., yes.
0 o'clock.
But 1 minute before that, Miss Sophia, is 11:59 p.m.
Yeah.
This is 1 minute before midnight. 12 a.m. is midnight. So 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Now, let's say now it took 3.5 hours. So goes back 1 hour, goes back 2 hours, goes back 3 hours. 3 hours is 1 a.m. Half an hour before that is 12:30. So now we are going to do the same thing. This is what you understand, right? If it's 3.5 hours. Now, they didn't say that he reached at 4 a.m. He reached at 3:05 a.m. 1 hour before that is what time? 1 hour before. 1 hour before. Hello, girls. 1 hour before.
2:05.
2:05. Good. 1 hour before that?
1:05.
1:05. Now, hold on.
12:05.
Yeah, then. So, one more. 12:05. Okay, stop first. 12:05. This is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. 3 hours already. We want another 30 minutes. So,
Okay.
let's go back to 12 midnight. How many minutes
Shaheed.
pass? Yeah.
Cannot see.
Okay. How many minutes pass if let's say you go back to 12 midnight? From 12:05 to 12. How many minutes?
30.
No. 12:05, you go back to 12.
50.
50. Okay, I'll count down. 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 12 midnight. 5 minutes only. This is 5 minutes here. Correct or not? Blur. Okay. Now we're going to do the same way. Now we say 12:05 p.m. You are in school now. What is 35 minutes before 12:05?
35 minutes.
30 minutes before 12:05. First, we minus the 5 first. We minus 5 minutes here. You get 12 noon. 12 noon. Right? Which is 12 p.m.
Is it 25? No.
Then you must go back 25 more minutes because you already minus a 5. You see 25 minutes plus 5 minutes equals to 30 minutes. You already minus the 5 minutes. Now it's 12 noon, let's say. So you minus another 25 minutes. You minus 25 if you want. You get 11:35 a.m. But this is the other way around. We over here, you minus 5 is 12 a.m. You minus another 25 minutes, you will get 11:35 p.m. So now I have to teach you the 24-hour clock. Okay, you all know the 24-hour clock. Okay, so now it starts with 0, That means 0. But 0 also has another number. It's 24 hours. 2400. And then it becomes 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Now there's not they say 3:05, is it? So now
Yes.
this is the time. This is the time that he arrived in Philippines. So how many hours, how many minutes? Down here is all hours. Down here is all hours. In between is hours.
3 hours.
3 hours, 5 minutes. So now the travel takes 3 hours, 30 minutes. So we take 3 hours, 30 minutes. We minus 3 hours, 5 minutes. You will get 25 minutes left. So what is 25 minutes before midnight? 25 is 11:30. You can, okay, so how to do? You can take, remember, 12 midnight can be 0000 or 2400 hours. So let us take 2400 hours. 24.
Isn't it 11:35?
Yeah, you will get 11:35. But I'm showing you 24-hour clock. So now you minus, you get 23:35. So if you want to find exactly 23:35 in terms of AM, PM, you minus 12 hours. Down here, you get 11:35 and this is PM. So I'm going to go through the steps again. This is difficult because they give you a midnight question. So let me now give you another question and you try first. You try first. Okay. Lala was in the toilet. Okay.
Cannot see.
Lala was in the toilet for just 5 minutes. Okay. She entered the toilet.
How many minutes?
5 minutes. For 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Sorry. Entered the toilet at 11:59 p.m. What time did she come out from the toilet?
Wait. She said a toilet for
12:04.
I thought 12:04.
12:04
AM, PM.
AM.
PM.
PM or AM?
PM.
Okay.
AM.
So okay now. So down here
How?
we can take it. Okay, we plus 1 minute. This one become 12 midnight, which is 12 AM. Now you plus midnight, you must plus another 4 minutes because it's 5 minutes. So 12 or 4 AM is correct. This is one way of doing it. I'll show you another way of doing it. What is 11:59 PM in 24-hour clock? Hello? Tired already lah. You all are tired so fast.
23:59.
Good, 23:59. So you plus 5 minutes. You just plus 5 minutes. You get 24:04.
No,
Right?
it's 5 what?
24. 9 plus 4, 14.
I
14.
count by
one.
hand.
This is now 6. Once it becomes 6, you got to carry an hour.
I don't understand.
Okay, don't understand. Okay, never mind. We try again. We try again. 23:59 plus 5 minutes. Okay, let's say we plus like that. 14, carry 1, 64. 23, 64. How come you got more than 60 minutes down here? You cannot, 60 minutes you must change to 1 hour. So you will minus 60. Bring the 60 to here, it become 24 hours. 04. But in one day, my friends, there's only 24 hours. How can you have more than 4 minutes, more than 24 hours? So this means this time, in order to find out the time, you have to minus the 24 hours. You minus the 24 hours, you will get 0004. This is early in the morning, 12:04 AM. That means this one also we have to do again. So your timing now, when it comes to midnight, you all are confused. Yet you watch a lot of late night movies with Antu and all that. You must know this. Otherwise, how you know what's the time if you do not know about this? Okay, we will go through this again another time now because I think you are really tired already. So I'm not going to go to question 15 because question 15 is probably going to be difficult also. So we are going to go through paper 2. And you'll find that paper 2 is going to be easier. This one, question 15, we'll go through on Sunday. We go through this one now. What's the ratio of 80 meters to 2 km in simplest form? Remember to change them all to the same unit.
Is it 40 is to 0.001?
Sorry, it's not. You must change it all to meters.
Kilometers. Yeah, I changed it to meters.
You change it to kilometers, I think.
No, I changed it to meters.
So 80 is to how many?
But it's the simplest form.
Yeah, but 80 is to?
80 is to 0.002.
Oi. 1 km is how many meters?
1 meter. 1,000. 1,000, right?
2 km is 2,000.
2,000.
Have you done the
Okay.
1.6 km run? If it's
Wait,
only
2 is to 1.
2 is to 1.
Not 1.6.
Allahu Akbar.
How?
How come you get 2 is to 1?
Wait, Mr. Shaheed, 2 kilometers is converted to what? Is it converted? Is 2 kilometers converted to 0.
Meters. No.
Then what?
Okay, now.
No, you have to divide by 1,000, right?
No, don't divide by 1,000.
Then times.
Yes, times 1,000.
Oh,
Bigger
I'm
unit,
so
to change
stupid.
to smaller unit, you must times by number.
So 2,000.
1,000, yes. 80
Oh,
2,000. Then
80
reduce it.
is to 2,000.
Hey, this one, you cannot make
Am
such
I?
mistakes.
Yeah, okay.
Zahira, how are you?
What?
Can
It's
you?
not 2 is to 1.
How come 2 is to 1? It sounds like a jumble sale. 2 is to 1.
Wait, one
Because I-80 is to 200.
1 km is
100.
1,000, right?
Yeah, 1
I
km,
found
1,000.
another way.
Oh, is it 1 is to 25?
Most probably.
You use calculator, right?
Yay!
No, cannot. No, cannot. You're supposed to try.
Is the answer 1 is to 25?
2 kilometers convert into 2 meters is what? Meters is what?
1 km is
2,000.
1,000. 2 km is 2,000.
80 to
If
2,000.
200, you know when you run round that thing one track, how many? Okay, those who have completed, Sophia, you run round the stadium one round. How many meters is that?
1.
1 meter? Oh. You are more than 1 meter. Takkan the whole stadium is only 1 meter. That
100.
100 is only the 100-meter race. It's only one straight stretch there.
1,000.
1,000 is too much. Okay.
Then what?
I'll show you.
What's answer?
Okay.
What's your answer, Zahira?
1 is to 25.
1 is to 25. That's the same answer as Sophia.
Correct.
I do not know. I'm gonna check now. But
I don't know.
Okay. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay, this one now for your information. This is your 100-meter dash. This is from here to here is 100 meters. Down here to here is also 100 meters. From here to here is also 100 meters. From here to here is 100 meters. So one round closest to this side is 400 meters. 100, 200, 300, 400. So
I should get 1:25.
1 kilometer is one round, 2 rounds is 800, 900, 1,000. 2.5 rounds is 1 kilometer. Okay, how to do this? No one is listening now. Okay, here we go. Well, the question is asking 20 meters to 80 meters. 80 meters to 2 km. Please do not do like this. 2 km, and then you go and reduce 4. Sorry, you cannot cancel. This. You get 40 is to 1. Please don't write like this. This is wrong. You have to change to the same unit. So the same unit here, 80 meters is to 2,000. Step 1, cancel 1, 0. Cancel 1, 0. So now you get 8 is to 200. Can divide by how many? Can divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2, you get 4. Divide by 2, you get 100. Can divide some more? Yes. Can divide by 2 again if you want to. Divide by 2, you get 2. Divide by 2, you get 50. Can you divide some more? Yes, you can. Divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 25. 1 is to 25. Okay, we'll do now the next question. Next question is, what is the answer for this expressed in simplest form? Question 17. 17.
Wait. This is not in our that one, right?
It is in fractions. It's in.
You got sent us?
No, sometimes they might ask you this.
No. Did you send us the... Did you send my mom the thing?
Answer is 1/6.
On the phone.
No, I did not. 1/6.
1/6.
1/6. Okay.
Correct.
2:3.
2:3. How come making kind of mistake, Shafika? Ika, don't be like that, Ika. Sophia?
Yes?
Sophia, what's your answer?
Sorry, was my mother.
Yeah, Sophia, what's the answer, Sophia? Rahana, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what's the answer?
Wait.
My answer for 17 is 1/6.
Same answer as Zahira. Shafika, you want to change your answer?
Don't know.
Don't know. Okay, we will go through. Rahana, come turn on your video. Okay, I'm going to show you very quickly. Very, very simple. Okay. Now, you ask yourself, you're going to reduce. You're going to reduce. Shafika, can any of the number be divided by 2 on top? Can divide by 2? Can divide by 2? Can divide by 2? Can divide by 2? Can, so you divide this by 2, you get 1. Divide this by 2, you get 2. Can divide by 3? Shafika, can divide by 3? Can divide by 3? So you get 3 divided by 3, you get 1. 9 divided by 3, you get 3. Now, once you have done this, take top number times top number. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 3, 6. Okay not, girls? Alamak, you all are distracted lah. Now, so 1 over 6 is the answer. I'm going to give you my own question now. You try to do this. Try to do this. Are you ready? Can we try? So the answer is 1 over 6, right, Hannah? 1 over 6. We can divide by reducing it. You don't need to times it out. You just reduce it first. So we are going to give you this now. Okay, we're going to end shortly, but please try to focus. Try to focus. I know you're tired. I know you're very, very tired. So can you try? What is the answer for this?
My answer is 8 out of 25.
8 out of 25. Okay.
My answer is 8 out of 25.
8 out of 25. Shafiqah? Raihana, I cannot see you, Raihana.
Wait.
Any number that the top can divide by, bottom can divide by, reduce them. Reduce them.
Half.
Half, okay. One person say 825, the other one say half.
I got 825.
825, okay. Shafiqah, how do you get half? Explain to us how you get. Step by step, come. Shafiqah, do you times everything out together? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to ask you. Any number that both top and bottom can divide by? Shafiqah, I cannot see you, Shafiqah.
No, she take 5 times 20, then 8, 4 times 8 like that.
So you get 32 over 100. Yeah, you can. You want to do this method, can, but it's very long. Then you must divide.
What if you, teacher cannot take like 5 times 20, I mean you cannot cancel, right?
Cannot cancel. These are your friend. Friend and friend don't kill one another. Top and top are friends. Bottom and bottom are friends. Do not kill one another. Top and bottom you can cancel. Okay. So down here, this one can divide by 4. Can divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 get 1. 4 divided by 4 get 5. 1 times 8. Now you cannot divide anymore. 1 times 8 is 8. 5 times 5 is 25. Or you want to do the longer method, no problem. If let's say you don't understand this method, this means that at primary 4, primary 5, you were facing problems already. There's now 4 over 5 times what? 8 over 20, right? So let's say you do not want to cancel. You only know how to cancel when there's one fraction. It's okay. 4 times 8, 32. 5 times 20, 100. Now you must reduce. So can divide by 2, I get 50. Can divide by 2, I get 16. Can divide by 2, I get 8. Can divide by 2, I get 25. 8 over 25 is the same.
Can we do another one?
But this is more steps. Shafiqah, okay not? You're shaking your head, cannot? You get it not? Shafiqah, you get it? Ika? Yes, I don't know. You're looking like that. I do not know. So, if let's say you're not comfortable with cancelling that way, that means at primary 4, primary 5, you didn't practice it this way. But I'm telling you, you can. But don't do this. Don't do this. I do not want you to do this. This one can divide by 4, get 1. This one can divide by 4, get 2. Wrong, Friend and friend, top and top, don't cancel.
Yeah, answer also equals
Then
to
divide by 5. 1. Divide by 5, get 4. Oh, that's why. You divide, you get half.
Mr. Shaheed.
1, 2, they get half. Cannot, cannot.
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes.
Can we do another one?
Yeah, we do another one now. We do another one. Yeah. Now I give you a difficult one. Okay? Shafiqah, boss, please do this one. Alamak, the way she's drinking, like a model.
Answer is 1 whole 1 over 4.
1 whole 1 over 4.
1 whole 1 over 4. 1 whole 1 over 4, 2 persons. And both answers are wrong. You cannot cancel a mixed number. You must change it to improper fraction first. You must
How to change?
1 whole is how many over 3?
3 over 3.
Then you plus the 1.
4.
1 over 4. Another person say 1 over 4 is also wrong. Raihana, where are you? I cannot see you. Give me hope. Our hope.
I'm here.
You focus, please try.
Yeah. What's the question again?
There's questions here.
Is it one whole?
Congratulations, it's one whole. But you must
Because I was
understand.
like 0, 0, 0.
Not 0.
I mean 1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1.
Is the answer 1?
One whole, yes. Okay, so now we do step by step.
Read this.
Here we go. Shafiqah, improper fraction is how many over how many for this one? Okay, apa binatang ini improper fraction?
Over 5.
4 over 3 times 3 over 4. This can divide by 4, get 1. Divide by 4, get 1. Divide by 3, get 1. Divide by 3, get 1. Don't think that this is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. We do one more time. You got to be able to do this. You got to be able to do this. 2.5 times.
One and a half.
1 and a
3
half.
over 5.
1 and a half. 3 over 5. Shafiqah, 2.5 is changed to improper fraction. What is it? Raihana, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm doing
5
my
over
work.
You all cannot concentrate. Zahira, what's your answer? Zahira, what is this now? How many over 2? 1 whole is how many over 2, Zahira?
3, 2 goes to half. I mean, 1.5. 1 whole half.
1 whole half. No, down here now, you just do this. Take 2 wholes times 2. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. That's how you change, huh? 2 times 2. You see, 1 whole is 2 over 2. 2 wholes is 2 over 2. What is this 2 over 2? It's like this lah. What is this? I'll show you now. You have a pizza.
They
You
give the answer 3 over 2, but cannot, right? Because I didn't.
okay. So 5 over 2 times 3 over 5. Can divide by 5, 1. Divide by 5, 1. So 3 over 2. What is 3 over 2? 1.5. Correct. Congratulations. 1.5. You would put your this thing. 3 over 2. Divide by 2. Get 1. Remainder 1. 1 whole. Remainder 1. Denominator 2. Okay, what I'll do is I will write the questions on the board, these type of questions. I will message to you and you do all those questions because now you cannot concentrate already.
Wait, so the answer is 1.5.
1.5. 3 over 2 is 1.5. Okay? Because you got to cancel the 5, but there's no more 5 here, right, Sophia?
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's going to be Maghrib already, so we stop here. But it looks like you all are very, very tired. I will write more questions on the board. I will take photos of it. I will WhatsApp you all. And then you try to do, and we'll meet again on Sunday. I will give you many of these questions. Because this is primary 4 work, primary 5 work. That means you are doing primary 6 work, but you have not mastered primary 4 and 5 work. That's why you are getting stuck in mathematics. Some parts you understand, some parts you don't understand. That's the problem. So you must clean this part. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck. Okay. All right, all the best to you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alamak, poor thing lah, this girl digging her eye. Poor thing lah. What happened to your eye? Your eye has come out already.